Did you make it?
Well,
How far did you go?
I got quite a bit farther.
Did you?
But when I got stuck, I'm like, I don't want him to have to pull me out. So I got unstuck it.
Tell how deep this is. There's a lot of snow. We finally got the driveway cleared. I don't know what Ted's plan is. Whew. Couldn't videotape any of it because we were busy getting unstuck. Hi Ted, how you doing, buddy? But yeah, this is deep. This is a lot of snow. You know it's a lot of snow when the wind vane is being stopped by the snow. What do you think, Ted? So we got a path to get out here. Mary did a partial path here and then she stopped. That's where I got stuck the last time. I got stuck real good here because this is deep. So I ended up plowing back there with the loader. Guess we're not going in the back door. That's a crazy amount of snow. What's in there, Ted? What's in there? What's in there? Go get it. Go get it. Hey, what's over there? Quick, go get it. Go get it. Can you get it? Can you get it, Ted? Go get it. Dig it out. Dig it out. I'd throw you in there just for fun, but I think that would just scare him. So I'm not going to do it. But the thought was there. Yeah, so you can see where the snow is. This is not drifted. This is just snowfall. So that's a lot. We had to do a lot just to clear the gate enough to get back here. So we're finally dug out anyways. I guess I'll put the tractor back in here and get ready for round 2 because it's snowing again. Perfect.